Okay, dear viewers, welcome again to our online learning program. Today is another day. We thank Almighty Allah for keeping us alive and safety. Okay, today we are going to see, I'm going to give you an homework concerning a science subject. This science subject for primary school, grade 5, grade 6 and grade 7. Homework exercise 1. This is homework exercise 1. This homework exercise comprises of two sections. There are first section, which is multiple choice section, and the second section is a fill in the blanks section. So there, starting with the first section, question number 1 says that when the water freezes, its volume dash. A, decreases, B, increase, C, disappear, D, is destroyed, E, perishes. When the water freezes its water, when water freezes its volume, what does volume of water do when water freezes? So you can pick or choose the correct answer from this alternative given. Okay, question number 2. It says that an electronic current passes through a resistor of 0.2 ohms. The potential difference between the terminals of the resistor is 1.0 volts. Determine the amount of the electric current in amperes. Determine the amount of electric current in amperes. So in this question, you have given resistor. There is a resistor here of 0.2 ohms, and we have given a potential difference between the terminals between the terminals of the resistor, which is 1.0 volts. So determine the electric current. You asked to find the electric current. How much electric current will flow through that circuit? I think you know the formula of finding the electric current. And the alternative given here: A, 0.2 amperes, B, 0.1, C, 1.2, D, 5.0, and E, 6.0 amperes. So which is the correct answer? You have to choose, you have to calculate and choose the alternative answer and put it there in the bracket given. Okay, third question says that which of the following is not a symptoms of the AIDS? Which of the following is not a symptom of the AIDS? Which of the following is not a symptoms of AIDS? A, given alternative: A, poor vision during the night, B, losing weight, C, continuous diarrhea, D, a prolonged abnormal coughing, E, an abnormal sweating during the night, and E, an abnormal sweating during the night. So which is the correct answer here? You have to pick the correct answer from this given alternative. Which is not a symptoms of the AIDS from this alternative? So you can choose and put there on the bracket. Okay, question number 4 you are given here. It says that a dash is a source of electricity. A dash is a source of electricity. A, dynamo, B, wire, C, bulb, D, circuit, E, switch. Which is dash? A dash is a source. Question number 4 says that a dash is a source of electricity. Which is a source of electricity among this alternative given? So choose the correct answer and put your answer in the bracket there. Okay, question number 5. Which stage in mosquitoes metamorphosis can be used to prevent its multiplication? Which is question number 5. Which stage in mosquitoes metamorphosis can be used to prevent its multiplication? Which stage of mosquitoes metamorphosis can be used to prevent its multiplication? Okay, alternative given for this question: A, eggs; B, larva; C, mosquito; D, flies larva; E, all the stage. So which stage is better for you to prevent multiplication of mosquitoes? Which stage is the best for you to stop the prevention of mosquitoes? This is this is the meaning of this question in mosquitoes metamorphosis. Mosquitoes metamorphosis. In the stage of mosquitoes metamorphosis, which is the best stage to prevent multiplication of mosquitoes? So you are given the alternative here. You are supposed to choose the best alternative. Okay. Question number 6. Which of the following creatures is an amphibia? Which of the following creatures is an amphibia? A, alternative given: A, crocodile; B, lizard; C, tortoise; D, frog; E, chameleon. So which of the following creatures is an amphibia? So you have to choose the creature which is in the group of amphibia. Which one of this alternative given is belonging for the group of amphibia between among these alternative given? Okay, now let us continue to question number 7. Question number 7 says that during pollination of flowers, pollen is transported from the dash. Question number 7 says that during pollination of flowers, pollen is transported from the dash. A, oval to the ovule; B, stigma to the anther; C, petal to the stigma; D, anther to the stigma; E, sepal to the style. So during pollination, question number 7 says that during pollination of the flowers, pollen is transmitted from the dash. So you have to choose the best answer among the alternative given. Okay, let us go to question number 8. Question number 8 says that dash is the place where chemical process take place. Dash is the place where chemical processes take place. A, vacuole; B, cytoplasm; C, cell; D, cell wall; E, nucleus. Which place does chemical process take place? Chemical process take place in a plant or in a cell of an organism. In which place within a cell of an organism chemical process take place? Which place within a cell of living organism? There are two types of cells: plant cell and animal cell. So which place in these two type of cell does chemical processes take place? So you have to choose among the alternative given: A, vacuole; B, cytoplasm; C, cell; D, cell wall; E, nucleus. Okay, let us go to question number 9. Question number 9 says that clothes are made from dash. Clothes are made from dash. A, cotton and air; A, cotton and air; B, soap, paint and water; C, paper, glue and yarn; D, paint, animals and chemicals; E, cotton, soap and water. So which material that clothes are made from? From which material clothes are made from? That is the question number 9. So you have to choose among the alternative given there the correct answer so that you can fill in the bracket. Okay, question number 10. Question number 10 it says that dash is the blood vessel that carries blood away from the kidney. Dash is the blood vessel. Question number 10 says that dash is the blood vessel that carries blood away from the kidney. A. Urethra. B. Ureter. C. Renal vein. D. Renal artery. E. Lungs. E. Lungs artery. So you have given the alternative here. You have to choose. You have to choose the best answer. Question says that question number 10, dash is the blood vessel that carries blood away from the kidney. A. Urethra. B. Ureter. C. Renal vein. D. Renal artery. E. Lung artery. That is for section A. That was a multiple choice question. So now let us go to section B. It says that fill the blanks. Fill the blanks. Question number 11 says that the gas that is produced from animal dung is called the gas that is produced from animal dung is called. So you have to fill the blanks there by writing the correct answer. Okay, question number 12. Dash is anything that simplifies work. Dash is anything that simplifies work. So you have to answer for question number 12 there. You have to write the correct answer. Question number 13. Dash is the only gas that supports combustion. Dash is the only gas that supports combustion. Which is the gas that supports combustion? So you have to think. You have to think the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Okay, question number 14. The reflected sound is called dash. So fill in the blanks. Last question, question number 15. Fish breathes by using dash. Fish breathes by using dash. So this is our homework exercise 1 concerning science subject for primary school pupils. So answer this question correctly and carefully, and after finishing answering your after finishing doing your homework, make sure when you answer this question, you write them on a white plain paper. Write this question on a white plain paper and then photocopy that white plain paper and send it through my WhatsApp number so that I can mark your exercise. Thank you very much for listening, and I beg you to subscribe to my channel so that you can be the first one to get first information for new video that I will be uploading to Mtatuzi channel. I hope you understand me, and if you have any comment, please don't hesitate or don't fear to comment and write comment, but I need a good comment, not don't insert or abusive language. Don't write abusive language. It is not allowed. So I will appreciate if you have a good comment, then write there. If you don't have any comment, just enjoy the lesson. Thank you very much for listening and have a nice day.